Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Note 10s, and today I will show you how to bypass the Google verification on this device. Now in a second you will be able to see that this phone right here is locked. I mean, you can already see the lock right here. There's the pattern to verify it and also the Google account. So clearly you can see phone is locked. So to begin the bypass, number one, you will want to back out to the Wi-Fi connection page, and you do want to be connected to it. If once you connect to it, it goes to the next page, just back to the Wi-Fi connection, scroll all the way down to add network, and in here in the SSID field you want to type in youtube.com. So like so, and once it's typed in, you want to select it. Select share. This will open up YouTube. So in here you want to tap on those the account icon right here, then go to, I believe it's settings. Let me just quickly make sure. Nope. So we need to go into the help and feedback. There we go. And from here you want to type in delete or disable. There we go, delete or disable apps on Android. So the first one as a suggested one. And we want to tap to go to application settings. This will obviously take you to the applications that are installed on the device, and here you will then want to select more and show system, which will obviously show you all the apps along with the system ones. And you're gonna start off by turning off Android setup. So click on it, select force stop. So let's go with disable as well. Go back and then scroll down, and there's another Android setup below that. Again, force stop and OK. And you want to now go back. And then we're going to scroll down to Google Play. There we go, Google Play services. And again, in here you're going to select disable app and the first stop and OK. And once you have done that, back out once more and then scroll even further down to settings. There we go, settings. And here you're going to select open, and in here we're gonna navigate to additional settings right over here, then accessibility menu, and enable it, allow, and OK. As you can see, it brings out this little icon right here. Once you have enabled this, you will now back out to the setup screen. There we go. And click on the arrow to proceed further with the setup. Now what will happen is this thing. So you can see it's trying to go further, it's not going, and it's gonna just kind of like stay in this state till we do the next step. So what you want to do is click on this, the accessibility menu shortcut, and then you're going to select Google Assistant. And at this moment it did nothing, so let's try it again. It will bring up, right, there we go, settings option. And once you tap on the settings, in, I believe right here, like in the middle, you will have the option to open or enable, one of those options. What it's referring to is Google Services, if I remember correctly. So let's see. Now this will take you several tries. As you can see, it was visible for a really brief moment, not enough to do anything, so you want to keep on trying. And yeah, it's enable button, as you've seen right here. There we go. As you can see, this was referring to Google services. So once you manage to actually tap on the enable button, You can now go back, because once you enable it, it will stay in here. So go back, and this will just kind of go further. There we go. So from here, select more and accept. Choose some kind of search engine. Tap on OK. Skip. And skip. Again, let's skip this. Go to finish up the setup. Now, you might get all excited and see that we have access to the home screen, but the process is still not finished. So once it actually loads the app and presents me with the home screen, I'll let you know what we need to do then. Okay, so once you have the home screen, you want to find your settings application, and here scroll, actually we don't need to scroll, it's I believe an about phone. So let's select about phone, there we go. Scroll down to factory reset, erase all data, factory reset, give it 10 seconds here. And then another 10 seconds. So what will happen once you click on OK, it will go through a factory reset of the device, which is just a normal factory reset. And the reason you want to do it is because this will remove anything that is on this device. So that will include the previous Google account, previous pattern used to verify and basically unlock the device, and thus by removing those, it will fully unlock the device, because the device at this moment, even though you have access to the home screen and you can use this device, it's still technically locked. So by performing a factory reset through settings, you will then fully unlock it. Now I will not be going over the factory reset on the video, just because it will provide you with no additional information. It's just a simple factory reset, and once it's finished, you're back in the setup screen. But at that point, go wild, set up the phone however you want. It will be fully unlocked, so you can do whatever you want, as any kind of typical setup screen would allow you to. So that being said, this would conclude the bypass of Google verification on this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.